Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on a Toyota Corolla Type S. So as you can see here, when I scanned it, this car had a misfire, and it's code P0301, if you can see that real quick. So to change the coil packs and the spark plug in this car, you begin by opening the hood right here, coming around to the front, next we're gonna begin by popping this hood, this cover up right like this, nice and gently. There's no screws, just 4 clips. Yeah, I know I could use an engine clean here. Alright, move this over to the side, and the coil pack start from the left. So you got number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. It's a 4-cylinder vehicle, right? Simply take out this nut, but before you take out this nut, you unplug this like this right here. Once you get that out the way, you simply undo this nut. So to remove this nut, just get a socket and a wrench. Just remove this like this real quick. Careful not to lose this nut. Gently pull the coil pack up. And then you're gonna get the plug out. So you're gonna get a 9/16 socket for the spark plug. Slipped it in there. Alright. And then you just gently pick this up, lift it up. There's your old spark plug. Put your new spark plug back in. Be careful not to jam anything. Get anything. Gently start screwing that in. Make sure you're not cross-threading anything. Once the new spark plug is in, you hand tighten this just snug. Don't overdo it. You don't want to break it. Pick this back out. This was a new coil pack. This was the one that was misfiring a few days ago. So I put this one in. It started raining, so I just put this in to save time. Now I came back and put the spark plug in, and then I'm gonna rinse and repeat for the next 4. So you gently put this in right here like this. Line up this with the screw hole. Push it down. Get your screw like this. Your bolt, I should say. Line it up. Again, nice and snug. Don't overdo it. You don't want to break that thread. You don't want to break that bolt. You don't want to cross thread it, strip it. And then you simply plug this back in. And that's it. You have just changed the coil pack and the spark plug, or the spark plug on the coil pack. Then we're gonna rinse and repeat. Take the bolt out, change. Take the bolt out, change. Take the bolt out, change. Let's do this. Stop recording. Take the spark plug out. New spark plug in. Snug your spark plug, that's it. Don't overdo it. Take this back out. An ignition coil. Okay. Put this back in here like so. Same concept. sure you don't lose your screws. Get your screws, line it up. Get that screw nice in there. And guys, put your wire back in, make sure it clicks. Alright, and that's it. 1 and 2 is done. We're gonna rinse and repeat for the next 2. All your ignition coil and your spark plugs are changed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure everything is nice and tight. And you simply line back up your cover with the holes. Line this back up nice and neat. Right, once it's lined up, it will just pop into place like this. That's 3, and this is 4. This is all lined up, and this is all done. I will link the tools in the description that I use to remove the spark plug and stuff like that. Okay, so if you guys ever need the tools for this specific kind of spark plug in this 2012 Toyota Corolla, you will have it there. And now for just to make sure, once you're done with that, you start her up, make sure she runs okay. And beautiful, beautiful, nice. Runs perfectly fine. Beautiful. And just like that, guys, you have successfully replaced your ignition coil and all 4 of your spark plug. Enjoy. Please like and share this video, and I believe in you. Keep doing it. Nothing is impossible. The parts, by the way, cost me about $250 from Rock Auto, and at the mechanic shop that would be around $700 or $800 easy. They would charge you just for that job, and you just did it yourself for $250 for the parts. Congratulations. Believe in yourself.